are going to Sintra today. We're gonna go check out the palace and the gardens. It's about a 50-minute ride on the train.
Yeah, 50 to an hour.
We are on our way to the train station. We have to take a different train station to get to Sintra instead of the regular one. What is the train station called?
I have no idea.
All right, so the train station we have to go to is actually really beautiful. This is what it looks like. Is this the train? Just got to the top. It was about a 15-20 minute ride in a taxi, only €12, so not bad. I would suggest getting a taxi for the bus. It was much faster.
If there's a long line at the bus, just hop in a taxi.
Well, and the taxi driver gave us a lot of information we
Stop for photos.
Yeah, it was really cool. To try to get some drone footage of this castle. Our ticket time isn't until about 2:30, so we have a little bit of time to fly. We also got the bus ticket just in case, but I think we're gonna try to walk it after he flies the drone. From the castle, the Pena Castle, to the Regaleira. It was about 5 each. We just got dropped off at the bottom and we walk up the hill, which is about 100 meters. We're about to go buy tickets and go wander through this. So entrance for this is 11 each, so we paid 22. I believe it's well worth it. And they've got maps all over the place because it is easier to get lost on these grounds. And it's very peaceful. We came during sunset hour and there's hardly anyone here. Definitely take that hidden path. So worth it. When you arrive, make sure not to go straight down. Make sure you go up to the top, because if you make your way down, that is the exit. And the top is where you get to see the really cool spiral staircase, and you can't miss out on that. This is so cool, way better than I expected.
So far, this is one of the coolest things that we've done in Lisbon. Underground caves, waterfalls, unreal.
You feel like you're in a secret like fairyland here. There are so many like little nooks and crannies and secret staircases and secret pathways that you can take. I definitely recommend this. And we came at sunset and it's absolutely breathtaking at this time. We just got home. I am already in PJs. I am absolutely exhausted. It's only like 8 p.m. But that took it out of me. The castle was all right. The walkway for it was closed, so it's kind of disappointing. And then the coolest part was definitely the gardens that we saw and that well. But I mean, honestly, Lisbon is better than Sintra in my opinion.
Yeah. And honestly, I think the big thing that got us today was that in Lisbon, there's like a lot of like hospitality. Everybody's super nice. When you go to Sintra, almost everybody is a tourist.
Yeah.
So everybody's like pushing in front of each other. You run into a lot more like rude people. It's a lot more close quarters. So yeah, there were some moments today where we kind of had to bite our tongue.
A little frustrating.
But no, other than that, yeah, we're just happy to be home. Stepped foot off of the train back in Lisbon, and it's refreshing to be back. But we're also a little more city people. That's a little more out in, I'd say, the country. I don't know if that's the right term, but yeah, it's all right.
Okay, so I messed up a little bit. I just realized we do not have our iPad. So I am going to the airport. The airline said they found it, but I don't know if the lost and found has kept it or not. So I am rushing there now to see if they did. I hope they have it. If not, then we are out our iPad. All right, just got to the airport and now I've got to see if I can find the lost and found. It's supposed to be at Terminal 1 in the basement. All right, the lady at that desk was so sweet and they have our iPad. I can't believe it. We get it back today. Okay, so I just met with them and they said that they do have the iPad. I just had to give them my serial number and now they are going to be coming back out with the iPad. I'm just waiting in the lost and found area. They had it! right, well, it's officially morning. This is the earliest Logan and I have been up the entire time that we've been here, so we're both exhausted. It's, I think, 7:30 in the morning. So I got up at 6:45. I feel like I got no sleep simply because I was stressed about getting up. But here we are. I'm about to do my makeup. I'm just gonna do a light makeup today. And then we are going to take the train into the airport this morning. Just simply because we've done it so many times now from picking up my brother and my stepmom. So we kind of know the routine at this point. All right. Last bags to be zipped up and we are walking out the door. We are on our way to the airport. Take the Uber. Made it through security, checked in our bags. I am so dead and so hungry. Made it to the lounge. So our flight, we get a departing gate here in I think like 2 minutes. So we're just waiting now until we have our gate. I am exhausted. I finally got some coffee, got some food.
It's been a roller coaster this morning. We went from thinking we were gonna miss our flight completely to now sitting in a lounge having some food and coffee. We had like a good hour before our flight. This airport is so efficient.
Yeah.
No worries at Lisbon Airport.
It's a really good airport. All right, we got our gate, so we're heading down. We board in about 5 minutes. We made it!
Overhead compartments. Muzzling is not allowed, including...
All right, we are all set up. I'm probably gonna set up and work a little bit. And once we land, we have to rush to the Airbnb because Logan has a meeting.
Yes, an important one. So I'm hoping we get there in time, and I'm hoping our Wi-Fi is good. Just landed in Barcelona.
Cabin crew doors in desired position and cross-check.
Texting the Airbnb host, should be letting us in here within the next like 30-45 minutes. I have a meeting soon after, and other than that, it's Friday, going into the weekend strong.
All right, now we just gotta go find where we pick up our bags. We are on our way to the Airbnb and on the way to Logan's meeting. So it's been a rocky start so far. The bag that they made me check at the boarding gate, they lost. So now I have to wait 2 to 3 days to get my underwear and socks back and my walking shoes. And the Airbnb host cannot meet us to get Logan in on time for the meeting. So now we're just gonna have to go find a working space and check in like 3 hours. Well, we got to the working space and it is absolutely perfect. Like, I can't believe how fast this was. They haven't even charged us yet, which is amazing. They're just super cool. So the people working here are so nice also. Logan's getting set up for his meeting. I'm starving but can't eat because I don't know if I can get back in here while he's in his meeting. So yeah, now I just wait until the Airbnb host messages me and then we can go check into the Airbnb, which I'm gonna be doing by myself. Okay, so I had to come get the keys for the Airbnb simply because Logan is still working. So I'm now gonna go back and get him now that I have the keys, and this Airbnb is kind of cute. I did notice that we don't have a duvet, so I will be cold. We might have to be getting a duvet. Not as nice as the other one, but I'm happy to be in Barcelona and I'm happy to get this place because the first Airbnb did cancel on us because they were no longer allowed to have Airbnbs. Here's the entrance, and the bathroom is right over here. Oh wow, huge shower. And this is the kitchen and living room, and then our bedroom. The view is very European. Logan got done with his meeting, so now we are gonna go get some food. And I haven't had Taco Bell in 5 months. So they have it here in Barcelona, so I want to try the different types that they have here, so we're going to Taco Bell.
And we've had quite enough adventure today, so we're gonna lean something a little more familiar.